Good morning, world. Well, probably in the history of the world, no one was really wondering or exactly bothered to check how does the Outxe, that's the brand name, Outxe 1000 10,000 milliwatt hour external battery bank that's supposed to be waterproof looks like inside. But there we are, because here's some marketing material of how it looks like when it's advertised, and here how it looks like when it is disassembled and actually faulty after 2 years of use. Probably the primary reason for that is the puffed up or damaged or faulty lithium polymer battery pouch. But let's just go through the construction of this power bank so that somebody else can make a decision for themselves if this is something that they want or not. Anyways, so it all goes back together something like this. I cannot really disassemble it that easily, even though there's some screws, but the screws, they hold the PCB in place. Everything is glued and laminated together, so you just gotta cut your way into the power bank. And when you do that, of course, you damage the seal and you cannot really put it back together. That's why this one is broken and I cannot break it even further. So let's see what's inside. So the top cover is the solar panel. As it's being said at the back here, probably it's 1.8 watts max. Anyways, from my experience, it didn't do much. Didn't really charge that well, to be expected anyways, with the capacity of the battery that we have. Then internally there's some cables leading to the flashlight, as we can see here in the material. If you press the button 3 times, you get a flashlight, an SOS signal, and other stuff. The battery was held together in the place in the chassis with this double-sided sticky tape, and the PCB was held together with these 6 screws. Then what we have around here is, of course, the pouch, the polymer pouch. I tried to look up the manufacturer numbers, but really couldn't find who made this. Then we have the PCB with a temperature probe that was stuck behind one of these duct tapes to measure the temperature of the battery while it's discharging. And then we have one side of the PCB with all the gizmos, and the other side, nothing seems to be damaged on the PCB, though I'm by no means an expert, so I suspect this is more to do with the battery itself, because when you plug in this to charge, the only thing it does is just lights up the flashlight and nothing else actually works. What really bugs me is, though, that this is advertised as IP67 waterproof battery bank, but if you look around the USB ports, they're really nothing fancy. So the only thing that stands between your battery bank and the external world is this gasket of a cover at the front of the power bank, which is supposed to be enough to protect your battery when it's closed. But if you're charging something, then these USB ports won't do much. Anyways, that's how your Outxe 10,000 milliampere hour battery bank looks like. Lasted only 2 years. Use it quite extensively. But here are the internals. Enjoy. Later.